Kasi matagal na kaming nakaschedule na gumawa ng project together. Although, remember nga mga last year sabi ko wag na muna. Ako yung umayaw, actually nandun na yung project eh. Sabi ko talaga wag na muna. Alam naman niya yun eh, sinabi ko. Dahil parang umiiwas ako sa intriga. No? Ayoko ng gulo, parang fresh pa masyado noon yung mga nangyari sa aming mga buhay. Kaya ayoko sanang, kumbaga, gusto ko munang manahimik for some time. Eh ngayon, okay naman lahat.
Kasi matagal na namin dapat yun to. Remember, 3 years ago? 2-3 years ago. And, yun, maraming problema. At least now, nawala na yung problema. Ready na kami to do the movie.
Ito ako isang tagapagmana na nawala for a long time. Tapos napilitan ng umuwi ng Pilipinas dahil may trahedya sa pamilya namin. And then, parang nung umuwi ako, nalaman ko, wala na yung kayamanan namin sa amin, napunta sa pamilya nila Richard. So, parang nagkaroon ng kasunduan na nagkaroon ng marriage for convenience.
Parang kami yung namahala ng hacienda nila Sharon. Tapos, pinagbibintangan kami nila na parang ninakaw namin yung hacienda. Yung ganong tipo na story. Pero, in the end, magkakaroon ng revelation. Namin ni Sharon first shooting day. It was a night scene. Kasi tagal namin hindi nagkita. Tapos nung nakita kami, medyo parang nagkakayaan pa. Although, you know, andun yung fact na talagang nag-uusap pa rin kami. Nakakapagtawanan kayong pareho. Masaya.
The first day we were together, syempre nung papunta pa lang ako ng set, ko, paano kaya to? Parang ano kayang magiging ng shooting, yung ora, baka mamaya magkailangan kami o magkaalanganan. O, syempre dahil nakakanibago, di ba? Baka hindi smooth masyado, baka ganito, baka ganyan. Plus, matagal ko na siyang hindi nakikita. Syempre nagkaroon ng mga pagbabago sa buhay niya, nagkaroon ng mga pagbabago sa buhay ko. Hindi ko alam kung pareho pa rin siya ng dati. Well, pagdating ko sa set, just like before na masaya siyang kasama.
Alam mo, nung ginawa namin yung buy one take one, saka yung kahit wala ka na, hindi ko pa naman siya naging girlfriend nun. After those 2 movies, doon kami nagkaroon ng relasyon ni Sharon. Tapos yun, ngayon na. Siyempre iba na yung, everything has changed na. Yung relationship namin before, in the time we were doing the movie, iba na yung working conditions ngayon.
Oo naman kasi, especially si Richard pagka-eksena mo is very supportive, he's a very good actor. Tapos cute yung story nitong movie namin. So, ang gaganda ng locations pa. Plus, masaya ang shooting dahil magmula staff hanggang crew, hanggang lahat ng kasama naming artista. Masaya kami magkakasama, magkakasundo kami lahat.
Mas close kami ngayon. Kasi before, wala eh. Ginagawa ko. Hello Sharon, tapos tulog-tulog lang sa set. Hindi ka naman siya makakakwentuhan before. At least ngayon, you know, we get to talk to each other. Yeah. Trabaho si Joel sa Viva Spotlight as a director. I like him so much. Mabait siya and alam niya yung ginagawa niya.
I love Joel Lamangan. I admire him very much and noong una syempre naiilang ako kasi first time namin to work together in a movie. I had worked with him before on television pero syempre iba pag pelikula eh. Si Joel is very patient. He's very he knows exactly what he's doing. And what I really, really love about him is that, you know, pag walang takes, where we always laugh, you know, we may kwentuhan, ganyan. Pero pagka trabaho, and that's how I am. So I appreciate having someone like that also to work with. And I respect him in that sense that he knows how to give importance to what we need and what, you know, what we think should be done. Or let's say pag sinabi, okay na, sinabi ko direct, pwede po isa pa. Oh, sige, he's very with that, very open. And I love the way he motivates me. I am really, truly looking forward to working again with Joel in the future, many times pa sana. Sana marami pa kaming pelikula together. Well, may pinagsamahan kasi kami, di ba? So, syempre, I cannot be just, parang pag meron kang kilalang tao, tapos may pinagsamahan kayo, hindi naman pwedeng bumalik kayo sa yung zero, magkaibigan kayo na para kayong walang pinagsamahan. Syempre, parang your concern for each other will always be greater than the concern of friends lang, plain friends for each other.
Marami lang. So, kasi maganda rin yung pinagsamahan namin, mahaba din pinagsamahan namin. Nagmahalan kami, you know. Hindi mo matatanggal din yung tuwing makikita kayo. Siyempre, nag-uusap kayo. It's always nice to be friends with your former girlfriend.
Kung ako, I don't know kasi what other people would need. Pero ako, yun, kailangan pareho kayong devoted to each other completely, nagmamahalan talaga kayo, and you're both willing to do anything to make the relationship work kasi ikaw ang pinakamahalaga sa kanya, siya ang pinakamahalaga sa'yo, yung gano'n. I'm looking forward to having a relationship like that.
Well, it should be a give and take relationship. It should be an open relationship in such way na nakakapag-usap kayo. Tapos, yung give and take, yung hindi ka nasasakal, you can do the things you want to do. Hindi ka permitted, hindi ka pinagbabawalan sa mga ginagawa mo. In short, you can always be yourself in front of your girlfriend. And same as with your girlfriend, dapat kung anong pagkatao niya, kung anong personality niya, dapat tanggapin mo, open kayo na kayo. Well, considering the fact na araw-araw kami nagkakasama, you know, siguro kami ni Sharon, masaya kami yung ganito, yung araw-araw kami nagsasama, kita kami sa set, and masarap yung feeling yun. It's different that, you know, we're working together now.
Mahirap sabihin kasi when we broke up, hindi kami yung kaya nag-break kasi hindi na namin matagalan ng isa't isa, hindi ganun. Ang feelings namin nung nag-break up kami, were there, no? There was no question about that, about what we felt for each other. Ang naging dahilan ng breakup namin is marami kaming differences, marami kaming, let's say, siguro yung ibang bagay na okay sa kanya, hindi talaga okay sa akin, or yung ibang importante sa akin, sa kanya, iba, basta hindi kami masyadong nagkakasundo sa ilang bagay. Pero, nandun yung respeto namin sa isa't isa, tsaka, yun, parang, kahit nung nag-break up na yung relationship, tapos, naging magkaibigan kami, it's been, 2 years na since we broke up, or tagal na. But, parang, siguro at this point, kung yung mga problema namin nung araw, nandyan pa rin, tapos magbabalikan kami, at nandyan pa rin yung mga problema, babalikan mo lang yung problema, di ba? So, at this point, we're really better off like this.